The all-new 2025 Kawasaki KX450SR isn't just an update, it's a meticulously crafted evolution, a testament to Kawasaki's relentless pursuit of motocross perfection. It's a machine that embodies the pinnacle of off-road performance, designed to push the boundaries of speed, handling, and rider control. The KX450SR isn't merely a motorcycle, it's a precision instrument, a weapon honed for the most demanding motocross tracks in the world. It's a motorcycle that promises to deliver an unparalleled riding experience, empowering riders to achieve their full potential. The Kawasaki KX lineage is steeped in motocross history, boasting a long and successful track record of race wins and championships. The KX450SR builds upon this legacy, incorporating years of development and feedback from professional racers to create a machine that's truly exceptional. It's a motorcycle that's designed to excel at the highest levels of competition, a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to motocross excellence. The heart of the 2025 KX450SR is a refined and powerful 450 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine, designed to deliver explosive power and a broad torque curve. While specific engine details may vary, the focus is on optimizing power delivery, enhancing throttle response, and improving overall performance. It's an engine that's designed to provide a competitive edge on the track. The KX450SR's chassis is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to provide exceptional handling and stability. The frame is lightweight and rigid, offering precise feedback and control. The suspension is top of the line, featuring high-performance components that are tuned for race conditions. Every component is chosen with performance and rider control in mind, creating a race-ready machine. The KX450SR is expected to be equipped with advanced technology that enhances both performance and rider control. The latest electronics suite may include multiple engine maps, traction control, and launch control. These technologies work seamlessly together to provide a smooth and controlled riding experience, even when pushing the bike to its limits. The KX450SR is equipped with premium components that are designed to withstand the rigors of professional motocross racing. From the high-performance brakes to the durable wheels and tires, every component is chosen for its quality and performance. The focus is on providing a machine that's built to last, capable of handling the demands of the track. The 2025 Kawasaki KX450SR is the ultimate motocross weapon, a machine that's designed to dominate the track.